Drink the juice every day in the morning to stop hair fall and new hair growth. Remove any dirt and clean a handful of spinach leaves thoroughly. Combine them with fresh fruits like muskmelon, oranges, and beetroot. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon and add a small piece of chopped ginger. Blend the mixture into a juice. Drink the juice every day in the morning to stop hair fall and new hair growth. Spinach is a vital component in preventing hair loss as it contains an abundance of essential vitamins and nutrients like folate, iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C, all crucial for promoting hair growth. Additionally, its high iron content contributes to overall hair health. Comment below your point of view. Follow for more such beauty content. Thanks for watching.